What was I saying? Today's video might be really short. I've literally been lying in bed until now. I had Eggos and I had some tater tots for breakfast. That was literally my morning. Like, I have not done anything. We're going to head to Disney Springs for Tindins. We're going to Where are we going again? I keep forgetting.
Did you leave the lights on, mate?
We coming for you. Excuse me. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. We're going to the Target. Target. We got lots of sweeties, and I got. Where's my sweets? Underneath there.
£20 for 24.
And we've got a swimming ringy thing. And why is everyone talking over me? Aww. How beautiful.
Does everyone remember what the door number is?
No. Ah! So it's currently 11:34 and yes, I have a towel on my head, and yes, I haven't really filmed much today because we didn't really do much, but I will see you tomorrow. Yeah, so the next video you'll see will be me in the exact probably same position, but in the morning. So yeah, goodbye. It's 9:54 and we are going to breakfast. I do not know where. Probably either Denny's or IHOP, and Mum keeps talking really loud. Faith, Falula.
Fake glowing shells. These are what I want in my room.
Shut up. Why am I offensive?
You wouldn't do a selfie
Oh,
with your mummy.
You don't want a selfie?
In front of the volcano with your mama.
I'm sorry, I don't want a selfie.
You're me.
We gotta give them Tappy Tappies back. Where do they go? Dad, do something. Do something non-offensive.
What a trained monkey.
On our way out of Volcano Bay, going into the transport buses, and I'm on the wrong side of the road. There's a giant Christmas tree. Okay, it's 10:29. Okay, it's 10:29. My friend died when we were at Cheesecake Factory. This has been 2 days where we haven't really had much to film, so I thought I'd put 2 days together so it's a longer video. Thanks for watching. This is the end of the video. I sound like I'm in pain, but I'm actually just so tired that I just want to go to sleep. But I thought I need to do an ending video whilst my phone is charging. I'll see you in the next video, which will be a hardcore, full-on day vlog, because we are going to Disney's Hollywood Studios, which is my absolute favourite. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.